This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at the Motor Expo in Bangkok and I'm going to be doing a first impression of this Omoda C5 EV. There's going to be lots of weird names I need to try to pronounce, but yeah, so it's yet another Chinese car. This is open expo, public day, so I need to try to squeeze in and get as much stuff done as possible. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here for the press days, but let me check trunk. We have 12-volt outlet in the back. We have okay, actually okay sized trunk, motorized liftgate even. And let me check here. Not sure what the sticker is, but yeah, let me check it. So how is it here? Oh, Isofix, easy accessible. Actually headrest for all three. Center console here that falls down. And let me check space. Oh, the seat feels a bit low-ish. Yeah. Let me see here. We have one USB-A, one USB-C. I'm not sure what this is all about. But okay, it seems to be semi-basic, but they try to at least make it look as nice as possible. Okay. I have to check now headroom. I'm not sure if I want it too dark or too. Okay. Oh, not the best headroom. Oh. So it will just be a fairly quick run because I have to check out so many cars. So the legroom doesn't seem to be the best. Let me check in the front here. Oh, interesting. Okay, we have the bridge design again. USB-A, USB-C over here. Center here. Actually, it seems like, oh yeah, you can have the air conditioning to blow inside here. Little stuff there. Cup holder here. Probably wireless charging pad there. We have this screen here. Omoda. Yeah. let me try to get on the other side there. This cost around 30,000 euros, 950k baht. Let's see if I can get in the front there. Let me check. Oh yeah, in the front seat. Okay, nope, unfortunately not. But let me show you also on this side. The charge port has this interesting, like, this stuff should go extinct to have it in the front. If they were used it in Thailand, in Norway, that would not work at all during winter. So fortunately, more and more cars, they don't have charge port in the front anymore. But trying to get inside the front here. I'm not sure if it's needed to show you too much. Yeah, actually, you know what? I think we don't need to show too much. So that's just a quick first impression of this Omoda. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.